Hi there. I want to show you about one of the things that Works is working on this year. We wanted to make sure that you had really easy ways to connect with us. And so we have a Connect with Us tab on our homepage. And in addition to signing up for our monthly newsletter, you can also sign up for these Google groups that we started. And so there's a form here, or you can email us. The form just takes you to a really quick thing. You put in your name and email, and then just check which groups you would want to be a part of. So I'm going to show you what that means because you maybe haven't tried the Google Groups feature yet. So if you have Gmail kind of hooked up to your school email address and you view your email this way, that's how mine's going to look, but you don't have to have that in order to use Google Groups because it just sort of works like a listserv that you can do it all right from your inbox, however you view that. So if you're a Google user, you can find the little icon that's for Google Groups, and it'll bring you here. It's going to show you all of your groups that you've signed up for, either internally or with Works. And then you can see all the conversations and all the other members who've signed up. And so it's a nice way to sort of stay connected. And then you just kind of view it like an email. And so no matter which email box you're viewing in, you should just get an email that comes from the governance board network at works.org, which is the kind of email address of this Google group. And then you can reply and read and star and do all the things right from in there. So you can just hit reply, and now you're replying to that whole group, and you can say, hey, we're working on this document. Does anybody have feedback, or does anybody have a similar document? And then you can also just hit compose in whatever email server you have, and you can do governance. What did we say it was? I can just copy it here. Governance board network at works.org. So you can just email directly to that. And then, say help with policies or something, and then ask, and anybody else who's in the group will then get that email and be able to just hit reply and share resources with you. So I think it's a pretty slick way for us to stay connected between events. And as long as I'm mentioning the events, I wanted to show you that we also the Google groups are all aligned to the professional learning networks that we're doing this year. So we have our first governance PLN on applications and enrollment this year. And so this is another way that we can sort of send reminders. And then after that PLN event, we can share stuff out to that whole group. So you don't necessarily have to attend every one, but you can still participate in kind of an ongoing conversation throughout the year. And so similarly, we have a Google group for district authorizers, for design teams, independents, all the way down here. And so we have matching professional learning networks for each of those. So I think Google Groups is kind of a cool feature. And again, you don't have to be a Google Gmail user in order to participate. It just works like a listserv, and you can get to it by clicking this Connect with Us tab here and then clicking the form. Or if for some reason you can't get that to load, you're always welcome to just send us an email too and let us know what ones you'd want to participate in. So we hope that that helps bring us all together and give us a really enriched year of supporting one another. Thanks so much.